Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A very important page of first aid about cell trafficking. We will learn about Golgi apparatus. The heading is not given here, it is discussed inside the topic. And then lysosomes, it is also not given separately. We have to discuss it inside the topic. And peroxisome. So, three organelles, very important three organelles having very important MCQs and mechanism very much related to each other. First of all, we have to look at this picture. We see that from down to upward, there is a nucleus. First of all, there is nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope. Then immediately with nuclear envelope, there is a rough endoplasmic reticulum with ribosomes attached. So it will synthesize proteins as ribosomes synthesize protein. So the question asked is which organelle is continuous with nuclear membrane? It will be rough endoplasmic reticulum. From this picture you can make out the answer easily. ARIAs is organelle continue with nuclear membrane or envelope. The next thing is RER will synthesize proteins. It is represented P here, and it will go to the Golgi apparatus. So what will be the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum? We have learned that in the previous page that SCR produces lipids. So this protein and lipid will go to the Golgi apparatus upward, and Golgi apparatus will do all the processing. Because the first MCQ about Golgi apparatus is Golgi is distribution center for proteins and lipids. So proteins are from rough endoplasmic reticulum immediately outside the nuclear membrane, and lipids from smooth endoplasmic reticulum. From endoplasmic reticulum, smooth or rough protein and lipids to vesicles. I have highlighted vesicles because the question asked is which organelle produces secretory vesicles. It is ultimately the Golgi apparatus which produces secretory vesicles which are secreted out of cell. For example, pancreas produce secretions, and many organelles. The Golgi apparatus will be involved. So another MCQ hidden here that is asked. Then what Golgi apparatus does here in all of its body is that all the proteins and the lipids coming into Golgi apparatus are processed and with fats, with carbohydrates. So they have discussed only the most important reaction that is called post-translational events, because translation is the process of forming protein from the DNA or from the RNA, messenger RNA, and then post-translational modification events took place in Golgi apparatus. That is, for example, they say that an oligosaccharide means carb, or on asparagine, that is an amino acid. So carb is combining with a protein, and this is called combining of carbs with protein, and it is another MCQ asked. Either it is asked the post that which organelle is involved in post translational modification. You know that after translation, amino acids like asparagine, serine are combined with carbs component. That is also the other name of post translational events. So the question can be asked in both ways. You have to understand the concept that carbohydrates are mixed with protein component to form combination products. So the ultimately that combination product is transported to lysosome, that is called lysosomal trafficking. So from here nuclear envelope to RER, then SCR, then combining both in Golgi apparatus, post translational event took place. One MCQ from post translation. Then it goes to lysosomes. So from here, the lysosomes containing hydrolase enzymes combine with the endosomes. For example, if this is a neutrophil cell and a bacteria is engulfed from by endocytosis inside the cell, so lysosome will combine with bacteria, and it will have enzymes, hydrolases, and it will digest the bacterial components. Another MCQ from here that clathrin coated membrane. We have seen it is in the blue color, so I have marked in blue. It helps in endocytosis. So clathrin is a trans Golgi protein that helps endosomes to form. So sometimes they do not give endosome, they give pinocytosis. Pinocytosis is engulfing of the liquid material. For example, receptor mediated endocytosis is sometimes called pinocytosis in case it is ingesting cholesterol or LDL, for example, component. So it will be semi-liquid component. So instead of endocytosis they may give pinocytosis. So you have to keep in mind it is still the clathrin coated process. uh, so secretory vesicle going out, one MCQ. Endosome forming or coming inside, another MCQ. Both are important. Golgi apparatus involved in packing, processing, labeling, and delivery, and we know that it give rise to lysosome as well. So another MCQ from lysosome is that you can write it down here, that on HNE, hollow structure around nucleus is lysosomes. HNE staining hollow structure, we often confuse that it is a Golgi apparatus. It is basically bud of lysosomes that are circulating here and there around the nucleus as well as inside the cell. Hollow structures, they are lysosomes. And another question is that breast and uterus regress by lysosome, because protein inside cells are digested by lysosome. And protein, another question is asked that protein inside cell, like inside Golgi apparatus and RER, they will be digested by lysosomes. And protein outside cell and a misfolded protein, they are digested by ubiquitous system of proteasome, that is on the next page. So these are two confusing things of protein digestion. You should keep in mind that inside Golgi apparatus, it is the lysosome, and phagolysosome is also inside cell. So regression of uterus and breast after delivery, that is also by lysosome. So because it will digest the cell from inside. Moving on to other MCQs, that is in the topic peroxisome. So we have to keep comparing both as well. So we have done Golgi apparatus, then it forms the lysosomes. Now we have come to the peroxisome. Peroxisome is formed from the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, SER. So some functions of SER are combined with peroxisome. As name implies, peroxisomes. So it will have peroxide like hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, catalases and oxidases, because it is oxime. It has peroxide as well as oxidases. So one question is asked that hydrogen peroxide is present in peroxisome. Otherwise lysosomes have hydrolases, those are for digestion, and these for peroxisomal enzymes are involved in other processes. For example, the first question asked is beta oxidation. So it is an oxidation process, so it will require oxides. So we know that peroxisome has oxides. So beta oxidation of very long chain fatty acid is a strictly peroxisomal process. Same in case of alpha oxidation of branch chain fatty acids, strictly peroxisomal process. And catabolism of amino acid and alcohol, most important, alcohol or ethanol is asked. Catabolism of alcohol is by a peroxisome. So you have to know not to confuse it with the drugs and poisons detoxification, that is by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is a general structure given in the last page. It causes detoxification of drugs and poisons. But if specifically asked about alcohol, then you have to choose the peroxisome. Peroxisome is formed from the SER itself, so it has a specialized function for alcohol. So first question is peroxisome formed from SER versus lysosome formed from Golgi apparatus. So it is clear from this page, only if you add these things on it. Then synthesis of cholesterol, bile acids and plasminogen. Important is cholesterol. It is asked in question. Synthesis of cholesterol is by peroxisome. So again a very specific type of thing is asked, just like alcohol detoxification. It is the synthesis of cholesterol. Then it is a peroxisomal process. But if they ask about the lipid synthesis and steroid synthesis, then it is by SCR. Again the same thing, that general things like lipid and steroid synthesis and drug and poison detoxification is by SCR, and then SCR give rise to peroxisome, which has very specific function like beta oxidation of very long chain fatty acid, catabolism of ethanol specifically, and synthesis of cholesterol specifically. So people often confuse cholesterol with lipids and steroids. When specifically cholesterol is given, it is peroxisome. When generally lipids and steroid synthesis is given, it is SCR. And peroxisome has peroxides, hydrogen peroxide and oxides, which helps in oxidation reactions. So these are the questions often asked from these topics. If we know the general arrangement of organelles from nuclear membrane to outside plasma membrane and function of each at each level, then we can solve these questions. You can add on these on the page. It will help a lot. Thank you.